Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And this video I'm going to talk about how to change iPhone language from Arabic to English and how we can do it. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is you have to go over here, tap on the settings. Now from here you have to scroll it down over here and you can see there is a settings icon. Now you have to tap on the general icon over here or just tap on this particular icon. Now from here you have to scroll it down and navigate to the globe kind of an icon over here. You can see you have to tap on it. Now from here you can see we have iPhone and English. So if you wanted to switch it from Arabic to English, what you need to do is you have to just go over here like this and you have to bring it over here at the top. And what you need to just go over here to this one. So as you can see right now the language is being changing. Just wait, so it will be changed or switched to the English language over here. Right, as you can see this is how we can do it. And also sometimes I'll switch it back to once again to the Arabic because I wanted to demonstrate you something. Now most cases when if you're firstly over here like this, what happens is I'll demonstrate you that. Now as you can see we have both the languages here. Sometimes you'll not be able to find the English language here. So if that is the case, what you need to do is you wanted to add the English language. So to do so, you have to go over here, tap on the blue kind of thing that's written over here in Arabic, tap on it. Now from here, these are available languages. So you have to either search here for English or you can just scroll it down one by one and you find the English language here over here. As you can see, just tap on it. Now from here, you have to go over here to this. And right now as you can see it will be changed to the English language. Now as you can see you'll be having both the languages here. So this is how we can change it. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye.